Whether you're new to Shopify or have been using it for a while, mistakes can happen and some can be costly. In today's video, we're going to cover the most common Shopify mistakes and, more importantly, how to avoid them. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to optimize your Shopify store for success. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, not customizing the default theme. When you first set up your Shopify store, it's tempting to stick with the default theme or a pre-made template. But relying on the default design means that your store could end up looking like thousands of others. Your store's design is a reflection of your brand, so it's important to customize it. So, how can you make your store look unique? First off, choosing a theme that reflects your brand's identity is a critical step in establishing a cohesive and professional online presence. Shopify offers a wide selection of free and premium themes, each designed to cater to different industries, product types, and aesthetic preferences. From there, Shopify's theme customization options provide a user-friendly way to tailor your online store to match your brand identity. Within the theme editor, you can adjust key visual elements such as colors, fonts, and layouts to create a cohesive and professional appearance that resonates with your target audience. Take the time to make your store look unique. First impressions matter. Mistake number 2, poor product descriptions. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is leaving your product descriptions vague or incomplete. Many Shopify users fall into the trap of copying manufacturer descriptions or using very basic information. Remember, your product descriptions may be what convince customers to make a purchase. To optimize your site's products, you should write unique and engaging descriptions for each product, focusing on the benefits and not just the features. Make sure to use language that resonates with your target audience and consider using bullet points to highlight key features. You can also consider using Shopify Magic to generate your product descriptions using AI. Here, you can enter some keywords on the product and set the tone the text will take. Invest time in crafting product descriptions that sell, and your conversion rates will improve. Mistake number 3, ignoring SEO. Shopify is great for setting up an online store quickly, but many store owners forget about SEO. Without proper SEO, your website won't rank well in search engines, and potential customers may never find you. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and meta descriptions. Optimize your product images by adding descriptive alt text. And regularly update your blog with SEO-friendly content to drive organic traffic. You can also use apps such as Booster SEO from Shopify's App Store to assist with optimization. In general, by focusing on SEO, you'll increase your store's visibility and attract more traffic over time. Mistake number 4, complicated checkout process. A major issue for many Shopify stores is a lengthy or complicated checkout process. If customers encounter too many steps, distractions, they're likely to abandon their cart, leading to lost sales. To avoid these pitfalls, you should ensure that payment methods are connected and configured correctly. Offer guest checkouts so customers don't have to create an account in order to purchase. Avoid adding unnecessary fields in the checkout process also. Keep it simple and keep it fast. The smoother the checkout, the higher your chances of converting visitors into customers. Mistake number 5, neglecting mobile optimization. Most people are shopping on their mobile devices than ever before. If your Shopify store isn't mobile friendly, you risk losing a significant portion of potential sales. In order to avoid this, you need to ensure that your theme is fully responsive and looks great on all devices. You should test your store on different mobile devices to check for navigation and readability. Make sure the checkout process is smooth and easy to complete on mobile. Mobile optimization is key to offering a positive shopping experience for all customers, no matter what device they use. Mistake number 6, not setting up proper analytics. Many Shopify store owners fail to set up proper analytics to track their store's performance. Without this data, it's difficult to know what's working and what needs improvements. You should install Google Analytics and link it to your Shopify store to track user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. Along with this, you can use Shopify's built-in analytics dashboard to monitor sales, traffic, and general customer behavior. Along with this, you can also track abandoned carts and identify where customers drop off within the purchase process. Ultimately, by monitoring your data regularly, you can make informed decisions to optimize your store's performance. Mistake number 7, ignoring customer support features. Customers want to feel supported when they shop online. Neglecting to offer clear and accessible support options can lead to poor customer experiences and potentially missed sales. In order to avoid this, you should consider adding a live chat feature or chatbot to offer instant support. For this, there's Shopify Inbox, HubSpot, Talk, and several other options available. Ensure your contact information is easy to find, ideally on both your homepage and product pages, and potentially set up a detailed FAQ page to address common customer questions that you've probably already received. Providing excellent customer support builds trust and encourages repeat business. Mistake number 8, not testing your store before launch. Many Shopify store owners make the mistake of launching their store without thoroughly testing it. A buggy or unfinished website can damage your brand's reputation from the start. So, to avoid this, test every page on different browsers and devices to ensure it looks and functions properly. Double check all links, product descriptions, and prices. Go through the checkout process as if you're a customer to make sure it's smooth and error-free. A well-tested site makes for a professional launch and helps you avoid these potential pitfalls. And there you have it, the most common Shopify mistakes and how to avoid them. By paying attention to these areas, you'll set yourself up for a smoother and more successful online store experience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be starting their Shopify journey. Let us know in the comments below if there's any topic you'd like us to cover next, and thanks for watching. Happy selling.